get on the road, babes. We're in Montana. It's pretty neat here. Not a lot of people. Just us and a slight downhill for 60 kilometers. Boop, boop. Right after I started today, I met a guy. Two guys, but there was only one of them talking. And he said, "Oh, we're trying to fish, yada yada yada." Very nice guy. But then when he left, he said, "Oh, by the way, son, welcome to America." I was like, "Thank you, sir. Thank you very much." And he says, "Thanks to us, you have freedom in Europe and in your country." And I said, "Well, I do not really agree with that." And he said, "That's the beauty of it. Because this country is free and you can disagree even though you're wrong." Okay, sir. Have a nice day. When will the Americans learn? It was because of the Russians Hitler got destroyed. We start the week off somewhere in the woods of Montana and are making our way to Missoula. Montana is known as Big Sky Country, and the sky do seem bigger cycling these stretches. We make a short stop at Parker's Family Restaurant in a town named Drummond, where they serve over 135 different burgers. Heaven! I looked through the menu of all these burgers, but it's way too hard to make a decision. What would you eat if you were me? I eat everything.
It's a beautiful burger.
But it's only a fourth of a pound.
I can make half-pound patties. I can make doubles.
How much would it be?
I think it's running at it's either $2.50 or $3 more to upgrade it for one more quarter pound.
Have you ever made an exception to make it a little bit cheaper?
Enjoy your meal.
Thanks a lot. Thank you. Boop, boop, boop. On our arrival in Missoula, I quickly realized how thought out the streets are for cycling. I decided to take a detour through some of the really nice neighborhoods before... Hey guys! I'm here for the free ice cream. Vladimir, my friend from...
Ukraine?
Ukraine, yeah. He's a little bit shy, but he has the glasses, so it works out. He just told me that I need to wait for this girl over here to get my ice cream and to see the place.
There's not just that.
Adventure Cycling Association is a non-profit member organization focused on travel by bicycle. They develop routes, publishes maps, provides guided trips, and advocates for better and safer cycling in the United States. It was formed in 1973, and their goal is to inspire and empower people to travel by bicycle.
On that one. That's
130?
Yeah.
Whoa, it's so much more than I ever thought.
So
Holy
the black
cow.
numbers are your pounds.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
I feel so much stronger now. Okay, we're going for the drumsticks. One left. Let's go. This one's mine. We leave the Adventure Cycling Association network and we're heading to Walmart. It's so nice to cycle here because this is like the cycling town of the United States and everybody has respect for you. Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you? Cycling along the riverside until it closes off, through the nice neighborhoods once again, on shortcuts, and make our way to Walmart to stock up on food before we leave Missoula. Yeah, I am. Okay, locked, cocked, ready to rock. Go. Bye bye, see you soon. Middag, bröd, jordnötssmör, tvättlappar, hörlurar, frukost, frågetecken. You always buy the ones with the ziplock. Nice! Always the chicken. Tastes better. Calories 80. Not a lot of calories. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, absolutely. Have fun with your travel.
I'm taking the ones you're stocking up. I should not be here. There's too much candy. Looking for baby wipes, finding wine. Where's the baby wipes? Baby wipes. I want to ride my bicycle. I want to ride it now. If I can't ride my bike, I'll ride my cart. whenever I'm like 80 years old, still gonna do this. You see, it's so much fun. Peanut butter. So here we go, little Jiffy. Come on. One thing left. Oh, by the way, I've always wanted to do this. I can swim in these pants. Oh, it looks like a skirt. Aren't I sexy? Look at this. I can get both my legs into one. What the? Jesus Christ. 2 people can fit in these. Leaving a lot of nice bicycle sweat in those pants. Second pair of headphones that totally like break like this, and I've glued and I've taped and they suck. And they were $7 at Walmart, but I bought these skull candy. I'm gonna put them to the test and then we're gonna do a review. Review time. We got what we wanted, we got what we came for. We have completed our mission. Now let's head to the cashier. We are the ones that turn on the stick. Yes! $28 for 4 days of food and a pair of skull candy headphones. Not to be forgotten, those 130 pounds right now is easily over 140, and we're not even stocked up on all the water we usually carry. So I would say 150 pounds fully loaded. That's what my bike weighs. Whoa, 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 too fast. Yeah, Santos, baby. Santos. As we go north, on our way to Canada, we stop in Ronan and meet up with Thomas and Anna-Marie that host me for a night. They bring me to the Kerr Dam, which was built in the 1930s. The dam is located within the Flathead Indian Reservation, and in 2015, the tribes and their energy company purchased the dam. In the early 21st century, the dam provided enough power for about 147,000 homes and more than $9 million in annual revenue for the tribes. The dam was renamed at the purchase to something I'm not gonna try to pronounce. Right before I leave Ronan, Thomas took me out back for some archery. With a handmade bow, on my 5th try, I started to get a hang of it. I'm sorry, I hope I didn't destroy any of them. Yeah, you can. Perfect. We're only doing 30 kilometers today. We only did 22 yesterday. The reason is because going to the Sun Road of Glacier National Park, it's not open because of snow. And it's on the other side of this lake. So we're gonna cycle on the east side of this lake, 30 kilometers today, and take you into a camping site. Campsite, $28? Are you f***ing joking me? What is it, a f***ing hotel? Let's just say we didn't understand and we put $4 in. And we hope for the best. After I put up my tent, the campground host came and visited me and told me that, Marcus, it's $12 a night, not 28 as I initially thought. Yes, they should put up bigger signs. We're going to Canada. We're gonna cross the border in less than a week. And I'm meeting up with 2 good friends of mine and my brother. And for 10 days, we're gonna travel around in a car instead of me on a bicycle. We're gonna go through Jasper National Park and Banff National Park. It's gonna be awesome. I wanna say thank you for watching the video. Until next time, skittish.